Hey everybody, welcome back to the 509. I was gonna make a quick video, and I started marking this, so I'll just show you where I'm at. But I need to cut a miter in this box gutter right here, and so it's just gonna be a 90-degree miter. So what I did was I got the gutter and I flipped it over, and from where it's gonna start at on this left end cap, we are at 24 inches. You can see it right there. And then we went ahead and marked our square line here. And then from there, I don't know that we really need that, but I like to use that just as a reference to trace it all the way around. And then from there, we went ahead and did our 45 on each side. Right there, you can see it. And then on this side. And then I went ahead and marked up a little bit right here, as you can see, so we can leave this as a tab, and then I'll show you in the front as well. So we just marked it right there to leave that tab, and then we went ahead and transferred them over to the front, and you can see right here where that tab line is. We went and traced that up. We went ahead and traced this up as well, and I'll show you why on that place right there in a second. And then this is the other flush cut for the other half of the corner, and this original line, we're gonna have to cut that gutter off there, so that's why I traced that all the way around. But I also marked another line from the back of the gutter to our 2-foot mark on the inside of the gutter, and then squared it off here like that, so that way when we go to fold this around, we'll have a straight line to reference to. So I'm going to go ahead and get the snips, and I'm going to go ahead and cut all this out. You can see where I marked it with the X's. I'm going to cut all that out, and then we'll fold this outward as a tab because it's going to be an inside corner. We'll fold this outward as a tab, and then we'll fold it and show you the finished product. All right, so we got it all cut. You can see that I kind of started a little bit of a bend back here, went ahead and bent this tab over that we're talking about, and left this tab on the bottom. And this doesn't have to, this cut doesn't have to be straight, nor does this one here. They're gonna get tucked in. But now we fold this over, and this is a little bit of a tricky part. You gotta get this inside there, and then you gotta get this inside of here at the same time. It's a little snug. There. Like that. And I'll doll it up a little bit, but now you can see that we have a 90-degree angle. I just got to fold this a little bit more tighter. Cool. And let's see here. If I can tap this in. There it goes. Like that a little bit better. And there you go, 90-degree. We'll go ahead and put some rivets in here, and probably some rivets in the bottom, and then we'll seal it all up. And here's an inside view of the miter. We'll seal that line right here, and then we'll seal it around here on the bottom, and make it waterproof. And there's the other 8 feet, and then this was the 2 feet. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was informative. If you would, please give me a like, and subscribe if you would. Share the channel if you would as well. That way other people can see some of the videos and some of the stuff that we do here at the 509. Y'all take care.